Hi, my name is Paul Breen, Director and Founder of Non-Drill. Non-Drill is an edge protection system that connects to anchors on precast structures. This is a non-drill post. Connection. You screw it into about 120 mil. So this is our most common anchor, which is the 2.5 ton anchor. I should just go over the top of it. Goes up, moves down. That's hard. Then we have the Edge Pro connection, which there's many different types. We just put the anchor in, and again the same post treads down to the, you put a nut on it, and the same post screws down tight to the surface. Next is our ferrule connection. Again, screws into a ferrule, screws down the full way, screw down the post. Over here we have our shear stud connection that you'd often see on beams. This is our 5 ton connection that works with the cone anchor. Fits perfectly. Down over the top. And again, screw your post down tight on that. Then over here, we have our steel stirrup, which is typically seen on floor slabs. Nothing bolt in the bottom. And again, post screws down on top. In here, we have our side connection. This is out this far, I'll show you another reason, but we make them in different sizes. We can weld the tube up close to have the handrails closer, back further to let wall panels down. And the reason we have it back this far is to have a formwork. And then we just put a wedge in here. And that gets your formwork tight to your concrete. So 90% of precast structures, the anchors are perfectly placed for non-drill, and examples of this is RE walls, wall panels for data centers, culverts, mast blocks, bridge parapets, etc. But what's very popular now is people are setting non-drill into in situ pours to avoid exposing steel and silicon dust. And here's a few examples where non-drill has been cast into design.